Hi guys, so in today's review video I'm going to show you how to use these products from She Modern, and I'm going to create some stickers which you can make ahead of time and then save for use later on. So some of the items I'm going to be using, this all comes in one pack by the way. So in here there is a nice little palette that you can use for popping your colours on, so I'm going to keep that out. In here you can choose the foil stickers of your choice. I've chosen stars in purple foil. Now you get a few things in here. So you've got your stickers, which are sandwiched safely between a black card and a plastic film, so you've got to keep that to put these ones back in. And also you get a white piece of paper. There's a glossy side and a matte side. You'll want this glossy side to be able to save your stickers on for use in the future, so we'll keep that bit to the side. I'm just going to remove these two bits for now as well, but also keep a hold of them. So these are the foil stickers. Now they are very thin, as you can see here, very fine material. Now what they do recommend doing is cut along in strips first of all, and then you can cut out which ones you need. So next what you're going to need is a stamper. Now what I've done is twisted this around, so instead of the normal rounded edge that you would use for your stamping, pop it the other way around so that you have a flat surface, and we're going to use this to hold the stencils. So what I'm going to do is just cut out a couple of these larger ones and then just place them face down on there. You can at this point remove the backing paper, and you can see they are just sitting on there. And I'm going to do a couple of small ones as well, so I'm just going to cut those out. So now I'm going to choose to colour them in with a couple of gel polish colours. So I'm going to use the mixing palette here and place some blobs of chosen colour. I'm then just going to use a small dotting tool with which to apply the colour. That way I can make sure that I'm keeping it in between the lines and it's not going over the pattern. Once you've filled in the colour, just cure your gel polish how the instructions tell you. So now what we're going to do is apply a top coat. They do recommend that you use a non-tacky top coat as well. So for these smaller ones, I'm going to start by just using the brush to apply most of it, and then I will use the dotting tool again just to spread it out a bit more evenly. They say at this point, with it being clear, it's okay to go a little bit over the lines as such, it won't matter that much. But when doing the colour, you're better to try and stay in between the lines. You'll know when you've got the gel polish all the way around the stencil, because as you can see there, the colour is slightly changing on the silver foil part of the stencil, and that means that the gel has fully covered it. So now going back to the stencils, so they've come out the lamp, that's them had their coat of colour and they've now had a top coat. So what they recommend you do next is apply nail foil glue, and I would recommend doing this sort of one at a time because it does dry quite quickly. So I've left these to completely dry, so as you can see they've gone back to being see-through. So we're now going to go back to this white piece of glossy paper, and we should just be able to peel these off now, and they should come away from this other backing paper. So they were relatively easy to pull off. You just have to get, say, under the little tiny little bit at the corner, and then once you've got that, they come off really easily. This bit of film you can obviously just throw away that was left attached to your stamper. And that is the stickers that I've made. And you should just be able to sort of pick up and replace these as you go. So it comes off fine and sticks back down again. I think it's a really interesting way with which to use them. I certainly need a bit more practice in applying them. I think if I'd applied the large one a bit near the bottom, it wouldn't have been as hard to keep flat due to the size of the stencil. As you can see on this, these are safe to stay for, I would assume, until you're ready to use them. They, you know, nothing seems to be happening with them. They are literally able to come on and off that paper as you choose. It's definitely something different. I've not seen another company do this sort of idea before, so certainly have a look at the link below where you can find all the different styles and stuff that they do, and you can certainly try it out and see how you get on as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.